This is the Blackjack app about data. We're going to start by going on the trail, and then we're going to look at data as we go along. We start the trail, starts in the main program. We're going to advance until it gets into subprogram 8. Alright, now it's in subprogram 8. It's drawing the brown box for the dealer's up card, marks the position where the dealer's up card value is going to be, puts in the values. Well, at this time we're going to stop and check to see this value. So we're going to go to data, and we're set here to be in subprogram 8. We want to go to variables, and we're going to look for the value of the dealer's up card. And down here it says dealer's up card. Its value is 9. Alright, we'll go off of data, and we'll advance the trail some more. Here it puts the headings in. Now it's going to start to show you how many of each card is in the deck. There it shows them. And up here we see it did the action of box N, 5 positions for each value. It's clickable, therefore it's updatable. And it's the frequency table plus 2 positions. That's where these values are. Well, let's see that in the data. So we'll go click on data. Now, frequency is a work list. So we have to click here on work lists. And then we'll look for the one called frequency. Well, here it is, frequency. We'll click on it. Well, we see it as a frequency table. The first number is how many possible answers, unique answers are there. There's 10 for card value 1 through 10. But our deck has 156 cards in it because it has 12 aces, 12 twos, 12 threes, and we go to the end, it has 48 cards with value of 10. That's the frequency table. Alright, we saw that. Well, we're going to return back to the main part of data, and we'll turn data off. Now we're going to advance 9 at a time. And 9 and 9 and oh, now we see it using the puck action to draw cards out of the deck. Puck action means it's unreplaced. Once a card is pulled out of the deck, it is not put back in the deck. However, it's going around 10,000 times, so it does renew the deck each time it does another trial. Alright, so now we know it's building it, but it's got to go around 10,000 times. So what we're going to do is we're going to advance the trail until the halt that is at the end of the 10,000 trials. So I'm going to click on advance. Here we're at the halt. So now we know that these found counts have ended. It's done 10,000 trials. So let's look at the data now. We go to data and we want to look at the found count. Okay, the found count is a work list. So we have to look for it. Here it is, found count. We click on found count, and here it is. Well, we know that the found count really only starts here at 17, because the dealer has to go until at least hits the value of 17. And it says 1,206 times out of the 10,000 times the dealer got 17. And here's how many times got 18, 19, over here's 20, 21, and here's the number of times that he went over 21, 2,313 times. Okay, we return back here. And one thing we can look at here, we just ended the table of 10,000 times, and here we see that the value of L in subprogram 8 is, in fact, 10,000. Alright, we'll end the data then. We'll end the trail. This is the end of the Blackjack's app about data.